Hey y'all, it's Amori and I am back at it again today. Today we're doing a wig install, but for this wig install we're going to do some wand waves, to make her wig pop a little more. Right now we are starting to braid. We have to do straight back braids for the wig install, so that's what we're doing. And then after we braid, the basics. When you finish braiding, go into your oiling and your scalp massage. Then after that, we're going to get ready to put that cap on, y'all. So here we're about to pop that cap on. So when you pop your cap on, make sure your clients remove their earrings because you're going to have to cut ear tabs into the cap. Then I'm going in with my holding spray to mold the cap down. And now we're going to sew all the way from one ear across to the other one to sew the cap down. Now that you have your cap molded, you're going to go in with your first layer of glue. Do this. I use my finger here to make it, as flat as possible to show y'all how it should go. You use your glue. You can go in with your finger. I usually use the little end of a comb, like here, and blend the glue in. Mix it until it gets flat. You don't want it to be bulky because you can tell when it dries. Now I'm going in with my lace tint on top of the lace, and then I'm cutting the cap here. Cut the cap. Be careful with the scissors so that you won't cut your client. Now that that's done, we're going in with our 5 to 7 layers, and this is what's going to make our actual wig stick. Here's where we go in and pop that wig on, baby. Pop that wig on and make sure you massage the lace down into the glue with your comb. This is gonna make the wig last longer. I don't know, it just works better for me to massage the lace into the glue. Now we're going to go up and pin the top of the wig up. We're sectioning out the back because we have to sew the back down. So make sure you do that to give your lace more security. Now go in and cut your lace. When you cut your lace, make sure you cut it jaggedly because it looks more natural. When you cut it in a straight line, it looks very unnatural. So make sure you cut that lace jaggedly. Now grab your glue and we're going in and hitting the hot spots. The hot spots are the spots that we didn't get down with the glue the first time. So lift it up slightly, just lift your lace back and you'll be able to see the parts that didn't get glued down. And then go back in with your glue again to hit those spots. And when you hit those spots, go in with your comb to massage those little spots down into the glue. Now I'm going in to part her hair. She's getting a side part. So I'm just parting her hair. I'm going to go in with my holding spray so I can mold the part down into place and get all the flyaways and everything into place also. And when you're doing a wig install, it's very important to have a hot comb. Very. It gets everything molded correctly and it makes things lay flat where you can't with anything else. So now we're going into the plucking. You're going to pluck those baby hairs, and then after you finish plucking your baby hairs, you're going to go in and pluck the hairline. It doesn't matter what order you do these two things in. You can do the hairline first and the baby hair next. I usually do the baby hairs first though, and then I go into the hairline. Now here I have my razor comb and I'm about to cut her baby hairs to her desired length. So that's what I'm doing. And then after I cut the baby hairs, I'm going in to mold and lay the baby hairs down. I usually use my lace melt mousse to lay them down, or you can use a gorilla snot. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. It's mainly preference. But yeah, the gorilla snot, it just lasts longer, but the lace melt mousse gives a softer look to your baby hair. Also, I wanted to say, if you have blonde hair, please use the lace melt mousse. You don't want to use gorilla snot on blonde hair because it'll turn it like greenish. So always use the lace melt mousse on blonde hair. Now here I'm going in with her wand waves. So I'm using my curling wand to do her waves. When you do this method, you have to twist the hair while you curl it. So grab your hair, twist it, and then curl it around the wand. It gives the more wavy effect. Here we're just finishing up her wand waves, so I'm just still doing the same thing at the front. You can do it away from the face or towards the face. I did the whole head one way, so I'm doing the whole head to the right. All her curls are going to the right. When you want to do more of a wavy, you want to go more in one section so it can all fall into a wave. And this is how her hair came out. I hope y'all have enjoyed this video tutorial. I have more coming, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.